Hi, this is Dave Johnston with Day Trade the Markets, and today is Friday, July the 25th, 2014. As you can see here, I've just placed an order at, I'm just going to adjust this line right here because this was a key support area that we had going into today. And that's at 73.75. So this is the emini S&P, and the software that you're looking at is our software that we use for Day Trade the Markets. We've got, what I have done here is I've added this blue line. You see I just can maneuver it. It's just put in manually. And then we've got this other line up here at 78.25. So these are the two areas of support and resistance. So we are looking at a market right now, and the reason I went ahead and made this trade is that it earlier had tested down into this area. So what I'm going to do here, I need to go ahead and 72.75. I'm going to put an order in here at 70.75 to buy two back. And I'm going to put in a protective buy stop just in case something forces the market to really turn around. And I'm just going to put it just above here at 74.25. So that's a buy stop right there. Okay. So this is a go with kind of trade. There's really two basic types of trades that we use here. One when the market is breaking from a known area of consolidation, sort of a go with kind of trade. Another one is sort of a responsive type trade when the market is trading between an area of support and resistance. So this is a go with kind of trade, obviously expecting the market to have a good move lower. And so now we've just hit our price here, so I'm going to go ahead and move this stop down to break even. So we've got buy stop there right at our entry price at 72.75. So now some of the other things I just want to mention here on this chart is that all of these colored bars are what we call aggression bars, and the strongest aggression selling bar are these magenta bars. So we had one earlier in the day here, and we just had a couple down here. So that's the strongest level of aggression that we actually identify in our software. The other shades of red are the less aggressive ones. The next aggressive would be level 2, which is this red one, and sort of these pink guys in here, light red. Those are the level 1 aggression bars. On the buy side, we have the cyan bar, level 1 buying, and the green one right here is a level 2 buying. So, and a blue bar is a level 1 buying. We do not have any of those in here today. Okay, we just got filled. So we exited that first trade at a 2-point profit. So the next thing I need to do, obviously, is to change the buy stop down to just 2 contracts. And we've already put it at break even, so I'm just going to leave that alone for the time being, and see what we can get here. The next, I just want to take a look at my other chart and see what sort of target we can get to the downside here. So let me just pause the video for a moment here and let me check that. Okay, the next target down was 19, or is 1970 right here. You can see we just came within a tick of it. You know, we'll see what happens there, but obviously there's still a possibility that the market could just dip into this area here, and I'll just define this a little bit better for us here. This area in here is an area of support. So, you know, we're obviously into that sort of zone here, defined by 1973.75 on the high and 1970 on the low. So this is an area of potential support, and we have what we like to call our intraday directional bias is up and has been up. But when the market broke down here, it obviously was showing good weakness. That's why I went with the short trade. But on a longer time frame basis, not the day time frame basis, but on a longer time frame basis, we are still in an intraday up auction. So I wanted to be fairly nimble with my management of that trade. That's why I brought the stop down to break even pretty quickly there. Of course, the market also moved in our favor quickly too, which is good to see. Um, but it would be an important thing in the market, I believe, today if the market could break down below 70. I think that would be fairly significant. And maybe it will, maybe it won't. We'll see here. Obviously, the market has now just formed a blue bar, first one of the day, as you can see. We just got it right here. So that's aggressive buying. So we may have just gotten low enough to attract good buying. Okay, there we just got stopped. So our stop at 72.75 was hit. So break even on the second half of that position, and just had the profit on one half of the position for 2 points. That's $50 a point in this contract. The emini S&P, you can see that the name of it up in the top left corner, ES. So every point is $50. So we just made 2 points on two contracts. So 2 times 2 is 4, so 4 times 50, that was a $200 profit on that particular trade. But we didn't make anything on the other two contracts, so just break even on them. So I just wanted to show you a quick trade here. And this is day trade the market, so I should go ahead and put our information right on the chart here. Just let me take a moment here and do that if you're interested in contacting us. Then you can go ahead and send us an email. So here's our email down here if you care to contact us. That's info@daytradethemarkets.com. So this was a trade on Friday, July the 25th in the emini S&P. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.